నమస్కారం, నేను మీ ప్రసాద్ అలమరాజు. మన పిఎస్ఆర్ యాపిల్ టీవీ ఛానల్కు స్వాగతం. ఈరోజు ముఖ్యాంశాలు మీకోసం. విశిష్ట నైపుణ్యం గల డాక్టర్ల పర్యవేక్షణలో అందుబాటు ఫీజులు, నమ్మకమైన రిపోర్ట్లు, ఫ్రీ హోమ్ విజిట్ సర్వీసెస్ ఫర్ శాంపుల్ కలెక్షన్. ప్లీజ్ కాంటాక్ట్ 9000 97980 8008804014. సంప్రదించండి. యాపిల్ డయాగ్నోస్టిక్ మెడికల్ సెంటర్, వివేకానంద నగర్ కాలనీ, కుకట్పల్లి, హైదరాబాద్.
ऑनरेबल स्पीकर सर साहब, मैं आपके ज़रिए हुकूमत को मुतवज्जे करवाना चाहता हूँ एक बहुत अहम मसले पर जो माइनॉरिटी स्टूडेंट्स का है, एससी स्टूडेंट्स का है, एसटी का है और बीसी स्टूडेंट्स का भी है। और ये मसला है फीस रिएम्बर्समेंट का सर। एमटीएफ, आरटीएफ, प्री मैट्रिक एंड पोस्ट मैट्रिक स्कॉलरशिप 4 साल से बच्चों की फीस आई नहीं है सर, और उसकी वजह से न सिर्फ स्टूडेंट्स परेशान है बल्कि कॉलेज के मैनेजमेंट्स भी परेशान है कि अगर आप देखेंगे सर, हर साल करीब 7 लाख, एवरी ईयर ऑलमोस्ट 7 लाख स्टूडेंट्स गेट एनरोल्ड फॉर द फीस रीएम्बर्समेंट अंडर एमटीएफ एंड आरटीएफ, प्री मैट्रिक एंड पोस्ट मैट्रिक सर. For the last 4 years, the scholarship has not been released, due to which the students are facing hardship. Their certificates are not being getting released, and the government have instructed to release the certificate. Sir, certificates अगर release कर देते हैं तो सवाल ये है सर कि managements कैसा चलाएंगे? A college functions and runs through the fees which is being collected from the students. If the fees is not received on the time, sir, it is not only lakhs of students, sir. I would say, sir, I might be wrong, but please correct me if I am wrong. 20 lakh students are suffering, sir, as of now. 20 लाख स्टूडेंट सफर कर रहे हैं, एससी, एसटी, बीसीज, माइनॉरिटीज. और न सिर्फ 20 लाख स्टूडेंट सफर कर रहे हैं सर, ऑलमोस्ट 4 लाख टीचिंग स्टाफ is not getting their salaries on time, or from months they are not being getting the salaries paid. So it is such an important issue, sir. Sir, the government should not forget that if today we are here in the state of Telangana, it were the sacrifices of the students, the agitation of the students, that we got Telangana, sir. And now the hardship has been faced by the students. They are not getting certificates, they cannot go for the jobs, and the managements are not getting the money, they are unable to pay the salaries. Many colleges are shutting down, sir, they are availing loans, and it has been more than 1 year, not a single paisa has been released, sir. Not a single paisa has been released, sir. And also the CM overseas scholarship, sir, I am coming on record and saying, sir, there should be an inquiry conducted, sir. 20 lakh rupees is being given to the students who want to go abroad and have the master study, sir. सर 5-5 लाख रुपए लेकर जो है सो उनको 20 लाख रुपए रिलीज किया जा रहा है. सर आप बताइए सर, ये बच्चों की स्कॉलरशिप नहीं आती है, स्टूडेंट सफर कर रहे हैं, और जो पैसे खाने वाले 5-5 लाख रुपए लेकर मेरिटोरियस स्टूडेंट्स को नहीं देते. सर ये इतना इंपॉर्टेंट और बर्निंग इश्यू है सर कि ये बच्चों के मुस्तकबिल से खिलवाड़ हो रहा है सर. उनके मुस्तकबिल को तारीकी में और अंधेरे में डाला जा रहा है. सर आई रिक्वेस्ट टू यू सर, काइंडली रिलीज सम अमाउंट सर, सम अमाउंट, कुछ तो पैसे दीजिए. आप किसानों को दे रहे हैं, डेवलपमेंट पे दे रहे हैं, आप तेलंगाना तल्ली के लिए दे रहे हैं, बहुत अच्छा है, दीजिए सर. लेकिन स्टूडेंट्स के लिए भी तो कुछ कीजिए सर, कॉलेजेस का कुछ कीजिए, वो टीचिंग स्टाफ का कीजिए. इतना बर्निंग इश्यू है सर. मैं उम्मीद करता हूं कि हुकूमत सिर्फ ये नहीं बोलेगी कि वी हैव नोटेड डाउन. नो सर, प्लीज note it down as an important issue which needs to be addressed immediately, sir, because the students are suffering, the colleges are suffering, and the teaching staff is suffering, sir. And please do not forget, sir, this initiative was initiated by the Congress government, the then Chief Minister Y.S. Rajshekar Reddy Sahab, and it was continued by the TRS and the BRS government. Now you are in power, you have to release. Please do not come with the answer, नहीं ये backlogs है, TRS government 4 साल का छोड़कर गई. Sir, when Telangana came into existence, sir, that time Andhra Pradesh had also left thousands of crores of rupees for fees reimbursement. The TRS government had cleared that, and it is a responsibility of the government to clear the fees reimbursement. Sir, the students are suffering. If not, sir, I want to come and record and say that. I want to come and record and say that MIM party is going to launch an agitation, and we are going to come on the streets, and we are going to ask all political parties to come and support the student so that the student do not suffer, sir. Thank you, sir.
Speaker, sir, the seriousness of the subject is a genuine one, is being noted, and I will speak to the concerned minister. I know, because for whatever the cause, whoever the reason, definitely, whatever he says is right. It deserves.
5,000 crores, sir. Now it has gone to 8,000 crores, sir. 8,000 crores are due, sir.
So it's a genuine demand which is being noted. I will take it to the concerned minister, sir. 100%. Thank you, sir.
The suicide of students in the state of Telangana is 3 times more than the farmers of the Telangana, sir. So now we are just pushing them to commit suicide, sir. See, sir, I have the figure, sir. 5,020 crores are due, and if we calculate this year, sir, it will come to almost 8,000 crores. Are you release 1,000 crores at least, sir? 1,000 करोड़ तो दे दीजिए, चलिए कुछ करिए, कॉलेज मैनेजमेंट को बुलाइए, स्टूडेंट्स को बुलाइए, कुछ नहीं कर रहे हैं सर, ये कैसी हुकूमत चला रहे हैं सर आप लोग?
I already told Speaker, sir, once again, the serious is being understood. I will talk to the concerned Deputy Minister. It's a genuine demand. Everybody is suffering for this. Whoever is the reason, definitely I will take it to the Definitely will take it to the concerned minister, the Deputy CM, sir, Finance Minister. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
The students are suffering, concerned ministers से क्या होगा सर? Chief Minister साहब को rescue को आना चाहिए, the government को rescue को आना चाहिए सर. Sir, almost 20 lakh students are suffering. 4 lakh teachers are suffering. Why are you not understanding, sir? See, sir, I have this paper, sir. The paper says in Telangana, student suicide is 3 times higher than farmers. 3 times higher than farmers, sir. क्या है साहब ये बच्चों का मुस्तकबिल, सर? आप सीरियस लीजिए सर इसको, ये इशू को समझिए सर. बच्चों के वास्ते ये मुस्तकबिल है. यही बच्चे थे जो अपनी जान देकर तेलंगाना को लाए सर, और आज इन बच्चों के साथ नाइंसाफी हो रही है. ये स्टूडेंट्स ही थे जिनकी वजह से तेलंगाना मिला. ये स्टूडेंट्स ख्वाब देखे कि सुनहरा तेलंगाना होगा, लेकिन क्या है साहब, ये बच्चों का कुछ तो दीजिए सर, कुछ तो दीजिए. मेरी रिक्वेस्ट है, कुछ तो दीजिए, कुछ तो रिलीज करिए सर. The students are suffering, the teachers are suffering, the colleges are suffering, sir. They are shutting down, sir. It is an important issue, sir. Through you, sir, I request all the political parties also to cut across your ideology and come and support MIM in this demand. It is a genuine issue, sir. Please raise for this issue, sir. आप लोग भी उठिए. मैं BRS से बोलूंगा, मैं BJP से बोलूंगा, कम्युनिस्ट से बोलूंगा, कांग्रेस से भी बोलूंगा. प्लीज आइए, लेट अस ऑल कम टुगेदर इन सपोर्ट ऑफ द स्टूडेंट्स, सर. दे आर सफरिंग, सर.